Our home in the Texas Hill Country is unique because we built it with our own hands and the help of friends and family. Here's how we did it.
The blast you see is creating our basement. We used the rock from the basement to build all of the walls. The core of the walls are made with insulated concrete forms. We also installed a rainwater collection system. Our average yearly rainfall is 30 inches, but it only takes 10 inches of rain to give us a year's supply of water. Now the hard work begins. We used a homemade rock splitter to cut the stone, and we installed a radiant heating and cooling system. Here are some interior views of our new house. Much to our surprise, the basement temperature never goes above 77 degrees in the heat of the summer. We built all of our cabinets from locally harvested trees.
Many of the environmental aspects of our home have inspired our neighbors and our community. That inspiration is what makes us so proud to call Texas home.